In this video, I will show you how to download and install PowerPoint for free. Open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click first link from Microsoft or just use first link in video description. Scroll down and press this download button. Next, search for Office Customization Tool. The very first link will be from Microsoft. Click on it, or just use second link in video description. Next, we have to select our system configurations. Keep it 64-bit. Scroll down and in the Office suite select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Now scroll down, deselect everything except PowerPoint and press the Next button. Now select your preferred language. Press the Next button, scroll down. Press the Next button, scroll down. And here we have to turn off uninstall any MSI version of Office if you don't have any other Office version installed in your computer. Then scroll down, press the Next button, scroll down, press the Next button. Again press the Next button and scroll to the bottom, you will see the Finish button. Click on it. Now this is the configuration that we generated. Press on this Export button, select the Office Open XML formats. Press OK. Accept the license, click on Export. If downloading the configuration that we created. Next we need to go to the location where files are downloaded. Now here we have to create a new folder. Now give a name to this folder as Office. Then put downloaded files into this folder. Go into New Folder and right-click on this Office Deployment Tool and select Run as Administrator. Accept the license, press the Continue button. Now we have to select folder where we want these files to be extracted. Now inside Downloads we created a folder Office, select it and press the OK button, press OK, and this will extract all our files inside Office folder. Now we have to put Office folder to our C drive, then we must execute some commands. In our terminal, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type CMD. Right-click on this command prompt or on the right-hand side and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes, write this command or copy it from video description, then write one more command. I left it in video description as well. This will start downloading the PowerPoint. Now we have successfully installed PowerPoint. Now you can close all these windows. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for PowerPoint. See, we have installed PowerPoint. I hope video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.